So guys, this is the catfish that I dried myself, you know. It's very dried. I use my hair fryer to dry it. Are you seeing it? It tastes so good, you know. It's three catfish you are seeing here. So I dried this. I dry all this myself. Are you seeing it? It's very dried. I dried them myself. It's three catfish. It's very dry. You seeing the? Are you hearing the sound? So I want to use it to cook okra, but I'm not use everything, sha. But I will also add this one. I have this one that I bought. You know, I buy this one for someone hand. I'm not going to use everything. Oh. I'm not going to use everything. So I'll take from inside. I will use that too. I want to use this one to cook stew, specially. You know, so I will add some here. This one is okay because I have meat, fish, and the rest. So I'll add that one to it. I first add fresh fish, one fresh one dry one, you know. So I like to mix two combinations. So this one a fresh one, while the other one dry one. So guys, this is the spinach that I'm going to be working with. I will roast it, I'll wash it. And the okra. Take it. Take it. So guys, this is where I store my crayfish, you know. So I want to add crayfish now. I normally like doing it like this because crayfish has a lot of sand in it. So this is how I get rid of those sand. Alright. Yeah, I don't like okra that is very dry, you know. So are you seeing the sand? Never add Maggi. Oh. It's only the one I take boy. The meat, the pepper. Pepper is not enough. Let me add a bit of salt. The okra is ready. Thank you all for watching. So our okra soup is ready. This is our okra soup. This is how I like my okra. Because me, why I don't eat okra? It's because of that when too draw, when my husband cook, hey, me I don't eat it. So now like this, I still like my okra. My okra soup is ready. Bye.